Looking for the best meat thermometer? We researched over 50 top-selling models before selecting and purchasing 5 meat thermometers to test side by side. Through scientific analysis, as well as plenty of roasting, slow cooking, and searing, our review thoroughly covers some of the most popular options on the market. We examine key attributes, like accuracy and ease of use, to identify top performers regardless of price. Our comprehensive review covers a variety of options, and our team of kitchen experts delivers recommendations to help you find the best meat thermometer for your kitchen. There are many products available to choose the best meat thermometers for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best meat thermometers for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. KIZEN Digital Meat Thermometer. The KIZEN Instant Read Meat Thermometer is an impressive contender, bringing top performance and quality to the competition. This model features a large, easily readable LCD screen, magnetic backing, and a high waterproof rating, IP67. While many handheld probes claim to measure temperature in seconds, this model actually does it, clocking adjustments in just 3 seconds. The KIZEN provides highly accurate measurements to a fraction of a degree, and in our testing, it was as precise as 0.1 at points. This near-perfect precision served us well in grilling and baking, and you can easily recalibrate the thermometer should it lose accuracy over time. While such speed and precision are impressive, watching the rapidly changing temperature display is somewhat jarring. Fortunately, the KIZEN includes a hold button feature that marks a minimum and maximum temperature until the button is pressed again. Note that the hold button function does not include a timeout. Additionally, the size and weight of the model is a potential drawback. It's not the smallest nor the lightest model we tested. Although, it does feature one of the longest probes in our review, enabling convenient temperature checks that keep your hands away from the heat. Overall, the KIZEN is an excellent choice for indoor and outdoor cooking. Number 2. Thermopro TP03 Digital Meat Thermometer. The Thermopro TP03 takes the cake for a high-performing probe at an unbeatable price point, nearly half its competitor's price. This thermometer continually outperformed its listed measurement accuracy of 0.9 in everyday cooking duties and lab tests. In both our high and low temperature tests, we noted a much more remarkable precision of 0.3, 3 times better than advertised. Not only that, but this probe was consistently clocking in at under 4 seconds. This made it the second fastest in testing to read a stable temperature. Its overall basic look may fool some, but the numbers don't lie. This is a foldable probe that not only holds its own, but, in many cases, crushes the performance of a majority of the other thermometers in this review. While the simple TP03 impresses in terms of performance, it lacks features. It sports no waterproof rating and has specific heat limitations. For example, it explicitly states that you cannot leave the probe immersed in hot liquid or food for more than 1 minute without damage to the probe. The 2 biggest downfalls are related to the screen. 1. It does not feature a locking temperature readout, and 2. It has one of the smallest displays of the models we tested. However, there is no reason not to try this entry-level instant thermometer for its value. Number 3. Thermopro TP07 Wireless Meat Thermometer. When it comes to a less complicated wireless option that doesn't require a smartphone, we believe there is no better value than the Thermopro TP07 Wireless. This meat thermometer consists of 2 separate units: the transmitter with a wired probe and the programmable receiver. We were most impressed with how easily the 2 pair wirelessly and the signal strength going from inside the kitchen to outside on the grill. With features including countdown and count-up timers, internal probe temperature, and preset meat temperatures, we pleasantly found the receiver to be easily programmable. We also particularly appreciated the thoughtful addition of different color backlights for the LCD screen on the receiver, which clearly identifies vital moments in cooking. The first increase in temperature, within 15 of the set temperature, and when the probe reaches the set internal temperature. While both units can display temperature, only the transmitter displays the temperature at a decimal resolution. But despite this advantage, the transmitter could use the most improvement. We feel that the unit could easily have a much larger LCD screen. More importantly, it would hugely benefit from something other than the simple hanger that easily slips from an oven handle every time we open the door. Number 4. Best ambidextrous option. Lavatools Javelin Pro Duo. When it comes to meat thermometers, lefties often get the short end of the stick. But with the Lavatools Javelin Pro Duo, those ambidextrous chefs among us no longer have to settle for less. The probe has an oversized screen with a large and easy-to-read font that automatically rotates based on positioning. Not only is it highly accurate, but the Javelin is one of the fastest instant read thermometers in our review, clocking in an average response time of just under 4 seconds. The backlight is the brightest of any we tested, and the probe has a motion sensor that triggers the backlight with a flick of the wrist, perfect for those operating in heat-proof gloves over hot open-pit flames. Cleanliness is the name of the game in professional kitchens, and we appreciate that Lavatools impregnates the plastic shell of their probes with an antimicrobial additive to help keep this device clean in between washings. It also has a high level of waterproofing, IP65. Performance like this comes at a price. This model costs more than double all the other instant read thermometers we tested. During our calibration test, this probe was one of the few with zero deviation from 32. When temps reach above boiling, we found it tends to deviate up to 2 from an accurate temperature reading. While this isn't major, it is notably more swayed than other top performers. And unlike some of our other favorites, you cannot recalibrate this thermometer if it loses accuracy over time. Number 5. Inkbird Instant Read Meat Thermometer. We love any product that is both energy and cost saving. As the only rechargeable option in our review, meaning it can be wall charged via an included USB-C cord, the Inkbird Waterproof IHP1P thermometer impressed us with its capability in this regard, plus its overall weight, size, and sleek design. Although the manufacturer claims that this probe only has an accuracy of 1.8, we found that its precision is much closer to 1 in our tests. The LCD readout is improved with an easily readable, large font, and rather than flash updating, you can watch the temperature rise with rolling numbers. It's one of the few folding models that incorporates a snap housing for the end of the probe. The backlight is one of the most powerful in our lineup, and it does a great job under kitchen lights. The downside is the LCD screen is difficult to read in direct sunlight, so it is not ideal for afternoon grilling. While we appreciate this model is fully rechargeable, we wonder what the charging lifetime actually is. We wish there was a way to replace the rechargeable battery if it ever dies. That's all my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.